I just realized that even though the timer was going, I was not broadcasting. Here we go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is September 21st, 2021. We'll be doing the 3D market commentary. The disclaimer is there for your use, your protection, your understanding. Please read it. Make sure you understand what it's talking about so we can get started. I'm just making sure that everything's here. Everything's good on my end here, which I believe it is. Yes, we should be looking at A-OK, even though I'm broadcasting as Becky. Her and I swapped sessions today, but she won't be able to make it today too, so she'll be there tomorrow with you guys. But without much further more ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right. Now, this is the commentary that you would be receiving in your email daily, Monday through Friday. Um, the 3D approach that we're talking about is, in fact, we're referring to the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. Um, the market climate essentially gives you the direction of the market, which way should you be looking for, longs or shorts. The buy and sell UFOs, the proprietary and patented technology that we are utilizing, gives you those unfilled orders, those potential entries or exits for a trade, and then the market volatility, essentially giving you what the speed of movement is. Should you be a little more risk tolerant or risk averse, and should you maybe shoot for lower rewards or quicker moves, smaller and quicker moves. So let's go ahead and get into the S&P 500. So after that massive sell-off on Monday, we've nearly come back to where we started off from. Right, the sell-off started from about this area 44.09, even though it gapped down from 44.22. So actually, I could just about 44.2175. It opened at 44.11, so that was a substantial gap down. Um, big moves, a lot of volatility during the open, and as it was opening, and then we saw a lot of red across the board, and then just about around 10 o'clock, we already started seeing some green, and then here we are. We've already gone as far high as 43.95, but right now we're at around this 43.75 area. We're gonna see if this sell off, this pressure coming in from um, China's going to hit us harder, or is this it? We're going to see and just follow through and make sure we trade the way we need to. It is still a confirmed down climate. It is now past double the amount of candles that it goes down for, double the amount of days. It's the eighth day out of typically three that the S&P goes down for. We do have two UFOs right here. The first one, the nearest one, is 44.3325, right at that sell-off, to 44.7850. 41.23 at the bottom, 40.55. Based on the VIX, elevated territory, 22.84%. Anything over 18, you should consider volatile. At least that's what I do. Daily expected move of 63 points will most likely be hit today too. Right now we're looking, a high of 95 and a low of 41. So we're already looking at close to 60 points, actually 57 points, 58 points. And the daily expected move is 63, and we haven't even opened for the day. Right now, if you're looking to educate yourself, if you're looking for some courses, if you're looking for some information to kind of guide you into the right direction when it comes to future stocks or forex, or perhaps you already have knowledge in some of these instruments, but you need to learn how to back test, how to put a trading plan together, how to get the psychology behind trading a little improved. And believe me, I'll be refreshing some of these courses myself. This is the way to go. This is the place to go. You can register for a course here, and this is kind of big, 3-month complimentary access to all UFOs and AutoClimate. I mean, that in itself, I think it's worth it, because within a 3-month period, if you're really determined and persistent, you should be able to go through a course, maybe two courses, back test the heck out of what you're trying to do, and figure out and say, okay, this is for me, or maybe this is not for me, right? So at least that's what I would do if I was just starting back. If I was just starting with trading, that's what I would do. All right, market climate on crude oil is down. It is confirmed. First day out of typically 7. Currently in, touch the UFO, 7103 to 7293, and then 6077 to 5873 on the low side. Based on the OVX, we're looking at elevated volatility on crude oil, 35.23%, and daily expected move of $1.58 might already been done. We have a high of 71.48 and a low of 70.36, so not quite there yet. Dollar $10, $11. All right, now if you are looking just for the auto UFOs and the auto climate, look no further than this link right here. Monthly or yearly membership is available. And we have TradingView, TradeStation, MetaTrader, and a soon to come platform that will be on here, which is Top, our very own platform, which is kind of aimed at the more professional trader out there, not somebody just starting up. However, the features that it offers there are so powerful that even if you were starting up, it may be worth checking out, mainly because it'll cut your learning curve on it that much quicker. So this is also going to be showcased pretty soon. So stay tuned. I believe it's actually on the 24th of September. Yes, I think it's the 24th of September that we are showcasing the new platform. So stay tuned and check it out. All right, gold. Current market climate is down. It is confirmed. It is the 4th day down out of 7. Now, we did have a substantial sell-off on gold. Did not quite make it to this UFO down here, 1739.4 to 1718. I really was kind of expecting it to do that, but it didn't. It came really close. 1742, and the UFO starts at 39. Okay, same UFO up above that we've been, looking at for quite some time, which is that big sell-off from the 1866 to 1804.4. It's been kind of like a roadblock for gold. I personally have taken several trades off of this level myself, and it's worked out pretty well. Until it doesn't, and that's okay. That's how trading is. Based on GVZ, 16.85% volatility. All right, now if you need coaching or support or ad support, you can sign up using this link here. That's for the All Asset Advanced Coaching, basically allowing you to schedule one-on-ones with certain instructors that you would like to. We offer monthly, yearly, or all-inclusive memberships, and on top of that, we also have the live trading sessions that are pretty compatible, I would say, with just with every time zone. All right. Next one on the list is the Dixie, the dollar index. So dollar popped up or above that 93. I believe that it touched the UFO up above here. The high was 93,445, and the UFO starts at 93,455. So that area was definitely had some unfilled orders. But right now with the dollar, we're looking at an up climate, which is confirmed the 3rd day out of typically 5. Okay, the sell UFO that was nearly touched, 93,455 to 93,750. The buy UFO down below, 92,880 to 92,310. Okay, and then as far as the volatility, we're looking at 5.44%. And daily expected move of 32 cents has already been done. Now, you may not trade the dollar index per se, but there's a good chance that if you do trade any Forex pairs, there's a very good chance that they are being impacted by the way the dollar moves. So, definitely keep an eye on it if you're trading Forex. All right, now if you don't want to read this overview in your inbox, you're certainly more than welcome to join us here on the YouTube channel. you can use this link here to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time we go live. Something worth mentioning is that when we do go live on any one of the sessions, we do start the broadcast with YouTube, so that would kind of let you know, like, hey, we're live. And then of course our schedule is also on the website, tradewithufos.com/live. Last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is currently in a confirmed down climate, had a steep sell-off happened yesterday. It's been kind of ranging in here, and then it sold off quite rapidly overnight, I believe it was, from this, around this 47,500 area, I think it was, or yeah, 47,000, all the way down to actually touched 40,000. So low was, yeah, actually the low was 41,000. Yeah, the low was 41,000. Right now, though, a lot of buying pressure coming from down below, so we're gonna see how this is gonna play out. Buy UFO, a very tiny one down here, 32,820 to 31,615, and a sell UFO 54,500 to 57,975. I was kind of surprised that this sell-off did not trigger a UFO here. I really was expecting one, but the software must have determined that this was a measured move that did not leave any unfilled orders. All right, folks. So that's that for the channel for today for the 3D market commentary. If you're interested and have any questions, any comments, please feel free to go ahead and schedule a clarification call here. Courses, apps, coaching, memberships can be discussed during this call. If you have any questions about them before signing up. All right, and actually, the last but not least, as far as the weekly economic calendar, still a holiday in Japan, which actually this is done by now, I would say. They're 12 hours, not quite yet, not quite. Still a holiday. Interest rate decision in China, and then obviously the real estate crisis that they're experiencing there is going to be something to still follow, see how it plays out. Bank of Japan interest rate decisions, FOMC economic projections. Supposedly, we're looking at the first taper, but we're going to see. We're going to see what's going to happen on Wednesday. And then PMI in Europe, interest rate in Swiss franc, and quite a few things happening with our friends the Brits, interest rate decision as well, and then retail sales in Canada. All right, that's that for today. I will catch you shortly in the future session. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.